法会不散，如来说法四中赞叹，一幅幅动人的画面，一声声真诚的呼唤，千百亿劫以来，仿若是今再现，一幅幅动人的画面，一声声真诚的呼唤，千百亿劫以来，仿若是今再现。
欢迎来到尼泊尔，蓝毗尼佛陀诞诞圣地，耶！
Founder of Nepal International Buddhist Society, Bhante Maitri, cooperated with Tzu during the COVID-19 pandemic in 2020 to organize food distribution. This cooperation continued in 2021 as the pandemic was still severe with the setting up of a community skills training center. 129 women joined the Cash for Relief program at the cloth mask sewing class to produce 170,000 masks. There were 176 schools and 21 organizations that had also benefited. During the COVID-19 outbreak, Tzu sent 11 chartered flights of pandemic prevention and medical supplies to Nepal. Medical equipment, including ventilators and oxygen concentrators, and also basic necessities distribution, were provided to local poor residents to ease the situation. Materials were distributed not only in urban areas, but also to rural mountainous areas by tractor-trailers or even donkeys with the help of local residents. According to statistics in 2018, around 90% of dialysis centers in Nepal are located in the Kathmandu Valley, which only accounts for 14.5% of the country's population. There are also 48% of the population in Nepal living in areas without access to dialysis treatment. In response to the needs of local patients in Lumbini, Tzu cooperated with Bhante Maitri, the founder of Nepal International Buddhist Society, to set up a dialysis center at his free clinic. In March 2022, Nepal's Ministry of Health approved the operation of the dialysis center in Lumbini. In May 2022, the dialysis center in Lumbini began its services for dialysis patients. In 2018, Tzu cooperated with the National Kidney Center of Nepal to establish a dialysis center in the Mantali Community Hospital in Ramechhap. Tzu assisted with the center's renovation, dialysis machines, chairs for patients, and reverse osmosis water purification system. The number of kidney disease patients has been increasing annually, and Tribhuvan University Teaching Hospital in Kathmandu was facing a severe shortage of funds and dialysis equipment. In 2019, Tzu assisted the hospital by renovating a new dialysis center, donating dialysis equipment, and installing a water purification system. On February 23, 2022, Tzu inaugurated the renovated dialysis center at Tribhuvan University Teaching Hospital and donated 15 dialysis machines. In 2015, due to the circumstances surrounding the Nepal earthquake, Tzu's disaster relief medical team continued their dedicated efforts and support, profoundly touching the local doctors. Local medical professionals emerged as true bodhisattvas of medicine. In the 17th Tzu International Medical Association Convention held in 2015, A total of 17 of them came to Taiwan to participate in the event. In January 2019, teams of Tzu Chi volunteers from Malaysia and Taiwan returned to Canggu Narayan Municipality, a city severely affected by the earthquake in 2015, to provide free medical outreach. In August 2022, Tzu Chi organized its first program after launching its service center in Lumbini to strengthen their efforts. Volunteers invited its medical staff, community center coordinators, and local residents to join in a program entitled Tea Session of Life. In November 2022, 9 services were provided during the 3-day medical outreach in Lumbini, Nepal. This was the first time a medical outreach was jointly organized by the local, Singaporean, and Malaysian medical teams, serving more than 3,200 residents and monks with a human power of 136 medical staff and 445 volunteers. After Tzu Chi volunteers held their first large-scale free medical outreach in Lumbini, improving the residents' health awareness was the top priority of Tzu Chi volunteers. So today, there is a community medical workshop. On February 19, 2023, in the presence of Lin Jingxian, Vice President of the Tzu Chi Foundation in Taiwan, the Lumbini Tzu Chi Free Clinic was officially inaugurated.
那些不能出来的病人我们还是会往诊去为他们看病也去关怀，因为交通费是一个很大的问题。有病的人呢，他们当然是要永续的这样子去关怀，所以这个人力团队都是我们前线，我们就会链接当地的医疗体系来讨论做下一步的一个治疗。刀烂的个案就是有当地的村民提报了，我们去看的时候呢，感觉到说，这个个案很特别，就是突然间在脑有一个肿瘤肿了出来就是在开刀前3个月，突然间它就长得很快，越来越痛，有时候就想说要去撞墙死，因为它痛得实在是受不了。但是呢，当地就没有这个脑专科能够为他动手术。所以我们就安排他到加勒满都去治疗。我们很感恩说手术一切都正常，其实很感恩我们的马尼师兄，对于刀烂这个个案呢，他都一直在陪伴，尤其是在加勒满都，他在开刀的那段时间呢，他是寸步不离的。所以刀烂师兄一直很感恩马尼他说马尼是他的再生父母，这个慈悲心这是很让我们赞叹。